you can do is press the L2 button, and this is really interesting. So you press the L2 button, and now what happens is that the Matrice has put a point of interest on that location. So if I go back into the camera view and I take off the laser rangefinder, that point is still there. You can click on that point, and when you click on it, you've got a few options. You've got the eyeball, which makes sure that the camera faces towards that POI. You've got the second one, is where you can fly to that destination point. You can set your altitude or optimal route. Go back to set altitude, yeah. And then you can do that, and then you can press the C2 button, or just press that icon on the screen to fly to that location, and it will automatically fly to that pinpoint that you've pointed out there. And you can see it's going on the map there. But we're going to press pause because I don't really want it to go there. What we will do is just come back slightly. Now, what is very useful about this pinpoints is when you've clicked on them, like we have here, you can tell it's highlighted because it's got the little squares around it. What you can decide to do and make things easier for yourself is once you've clicked on it, you click on the POI enabled, so it knows on the Matrice that you're facing that POI. When you move the right hand control stick and press the C1 button, you've got your cruise control over the POI. So it's just going to go round that POI, however fast or slow you said. And then you can zoom in at the same time, especially if you were taking pictures or videos or you were observing something. So you don't necessarily need to worry about controlling the aircraft. It's just going to nice and easily pivot around that point that you've highlighted on the screen or highlighted on the map there. And here you see you have a nice green circle, which is that flight path that the aircraft is taking because you have it in autopilot. We will now take ourselves back, and I'm just going to move myself now going right. And it's just going to move it around, and I'm going to press the C1 button. So I'm going to move right, and I'm going to press the C1 button, and it will lock it into place as my new route around that POI. As you see, it is good, but sometimes there can be a little bit of slippage, so you just have to be aware of that. But in terms of keeping an eye on a location and observing what's going on, this cruise control is very useful.